on that island.
That's the minigun. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Alright, I'm broadside.
I think I killed myself.
Yeah, Estioka, he and I can both look forward, I think, so we can both.
Oh, should I just go straight?
Yep, killed myself.
I'll work on that little boat.
Okay, little boy's done.
Good
Nice.
job, guys.
Infantry behind in the water.
Right there, right there, right there. Straight ahead.
I'll watch main shoreline.
Got that bitch. This is
Nice.
so much fun.
I
Keep
just
going.
Far from Alpha.
They had a lead on that.
Quick regen. Oh, right there. Oh, we are on land.
Yep,
We
I'm
are-
getting out, I'm getting out, getting out. Take this shit.
Okay. We're good, we're good.
Oh, I should have stayed in there.
They'll come to you.
Okay.